In this video, I will be covering 4 time-saving features that you should be using in the Combivis 6 software. The most powerful tool in Combivis 6 is the document database, which can be found by clicking on the Tools tab and selecting KEB Documents, or clicking the KEB Documents button on the ribbon. You can access the document database after registering. It allows you to download KEB manuals, 3D models, E-plans, and fieldbus specific files. You can also use the document database by using the Find in Documentation feature. When connected to a drive, right-click a parameter or hit Shift and F1 to open the parameter in the documentation. This will allow you to easily understand any specific parameter you come across in the drive programming software. The next feature that can greatly improve the user experience is the Parameters List Quick Compare. To use this feature, you need to have a parameter list open, then right-click on a parameter, Advanced, Enable Quick Compare. If the value offline and online are the same, the parameters will be green. Otherwise, they'll be red. This is useful for quickly determining the difference between a parameter list and the active drive parameters. Another useful feature is the ability to lay out the editor's window in whatever configuration the user desires. Rather than displaying each editor window in full screen mode and having to click between them, Combivis 6 allows you to drag and drop multiple windows into any layout. You could run a scope on one side and change parameters on the other to see the effects, or run multiple drives and monitor them at the same time. The final productivity feature is the ability to drag and drop the parameters from the drive into a parameter list or scope. To use this feature, use the editor window layout feature from the third productivity feature to have the drive parameters, scope, and/or parameters list open all at once. From there, the selected parameters can be dragged and dropped to more quickly set up or edit the parameter list or scope. This feature eliminates the need to manually add the parameters one at a time with drop-down menus.